This is the loading screen. I'm not planning on continuing progress on this game, but if I get some likes and some comments on this video, I'll continue working on it and release a demo for everybody to play. But as of right now, it's just kind of a little side project. Pick up some grenades. And behind this wall is a turret. It's taking down my health, so I'm going to destroy it with a grenade. 2. Boom. The turret is destroyed. It's pretty cool. Okay, moving on. So to pick up a crate, you look at it, and you right click on your mouse. And you can move it around. If you want to get somewhere like back up here for whatever reason, you would just drop it, jump back up here. But we see this. And as of right now, this is really the only way to get out of here. So, what do? We grab a crate, and we drop it on this button. It has to stay on the button so that the button remains active. While the button's active, you can jump on this. And it's supposed to take you up there. You gotta kind of move forward a little bit. Okay. It takes you up here. Can't really go anywhere. But we see a button. Look around a little bit. Okay, there's some crates. So you grab a crate and drop it on the button. The door just opened. There's really no way into that room yet, but that's gonna be the end of this level once you get in that room. Give me a crate. Okay. So I'm thinking about putting a staircase right here so you don't have to do this because it's kind of annoying. But jump up here. Okay. And the door opens, and now we're out here. This part of the level isn't really finished at all, so I'm going to show it to you anyway. Okay. Jump on this. And boing. Jump on this. And we're up here now. I need to set the render distance further on the camera because it's kind of clipping out that part of the level over there. This is kind of far off. But you walk around a little bit, you see that,